ignition interrupter. And what that does, Sean has control of these trucks the whole night. Say if the driver takes a hard hit, knock himself out. Say he's out of control, get ready to bring the grandstand, get somebody on the track. Sean will shut the trucks down, he keeps us safe on the track, our driver safe in the cockpit, the warm-up. He's safe in the grandstand. I got one thing, you guys ready for the leading competition? going to have to drive the wheels off of this thing. We have got 3 solid runs down to 4 of them. Can he take some wins here tonight to keep increasing his point lead? Or are these guys going to close it in on him? This is where you guys get involved. We want you to pick the winner. You've got a tough job tonight. Sean's down here with the beater. So when your beater driver comes out, you need to get nice and loud so that we can see who is the best one out here tonight. Man, this guy came out. He has been on fire this weekend as well. Stepping up his game. Mr. Chris Guzman in heavy metal, the first strikeout. How about our second driver out here tonight? Driving the old school, Mr. Dave Wright. The third guy out tonight, here he is, driving the bat and the bone, Travis Wright. Man, this is going to be close to call. And our last guy out, the other young gun, he's on point leader right now in the X-Max machine, Cody Holman. Let's get the official call off the meter here. Taking the win tonight, bat and the bone, and Travis Wright. I tell you what, you and Cody, you two guys, up-and-coming superstars out here with us. Man, you guys are holding nothing back. You are going after each other with all you have.
Yeah, me and Cody are both going after good friends too. I mean, more noise all you guys fans make, bigger air we want to get, more something up there.
Oh yeah, you guys can definitely feed off and hear these guys and around louder around here. You get some more fun this for you and you just get that energy.
Oh yeah, definitely for sure. When we're out here more than you guys are standing up, clapping, cheering, we're up bigger every time.
All right, that's the first one down. We got 2 more tonight. We'll be watching you right now. We want you to sign the sponsor truck toy.